4.7 magnitude earthquake strikes Iran. UAE not affected. Epicenter of the quake is southeast Iran at 11.41 am UAE time, 400 kms from Ras Al Khaimah. An earthquake measuring 4.7 in magnitude has struck southeast of Iran at 11.41 am UAE time. The incident has been confirmed by the UAE's National Center for Meteorology and Seismology, NCMS, adding the epicenter is 400 kms of Ras Al Khaimah city. According to the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, ANSC, the epicenter of the trembler was 73 kms west of Iranshir, Iran and 400 kms north of Muscat, Oman. The earthquake struck at a depth of 10 kms according to ANSC, with no current reports of any damage in the area. There are also no reports of the UAE being affected by the earthquake. Kamiz Al-Shamsi, head of seismology, NCMS, said, "Such tectonic activity is common in this area and the magnitude of this earthquake was too moderate to affect the UAE in any way." On September 17, a 4.3 magnitude earthquake had also struck Iran, with its epicenter near the island of Kish at a depth of 33 kms, according to the USCS.